like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and excuse my wet hair, but you know how it is. Just got out of the shower. I'm here with Ipsy for November, and this is. It ends up being $15. I believe they charge $13 and then $1.99 handling, so it ends up being $13 or $15. So, you know, Macy's just does straight $15, but they split theirs up. And I also got an add-on this time. But this is this month's bag, and it's cute. It's like a velour, and it's got the gold trims. Let me see if I can get the stuff out of it, so I can show you the inside. Yeah, and it's got the lining in it. It's cute. It is cute. I'll put my stuff back in it so we can act like I didn't look anyway, because I was too busy looking at you. But anyway, and then they give you this card every month. It tells you what's in your bag. A lot to be thankful for is the theme. Okay. I thought I had glasses in here, but I don't seem to, so hold on, let me get my glasses. Okay, let's try again. I'm a old lady who just probably hasn't had her shit together since she was 15. I had the tiger by the tail at 15. Just kind of, when I turned 18, everything went south. Anyway, yeah, now I can see. Okay, and it says, a lot to be thankful for. In between the glitz, glamour, and gifting of the season, make sure to show yourself a little gratitude too. It says, give yourself a 5-minute mani, practice morning mindfulness, glow overnight with the sleeping mask, power up your shower, and try cozy cardio. If it's sleeping late, I can do that. And then it's the glamorous show on earth. Come on, come on. We're kicking off the holidays with the most festive glam in town. Join us for all the beauty you need to sparkle this season. Gorgeous gift ideas for friends and fam. And spectacular Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. And then, of course, they're advertising their Advent deals and their holiday capsules and their post-Advent calendar and all the other. Anyway, this is what's in my bag. I got this brush. This is a concealer brush, and it's Beauty for Real. And I like these when they say what they're for on the brush, because, sometimes I just don't have time to look all over the house and say, what's this for? It's easier for me to grab a brush that says, oh, this is for that. Because I've never been much of a makeup wearer. I wear it in seasons. I've always been one of those people that I'll wear it every day for 6 months, and then I won't wear it for another year, and then I'll wear it for 6 months, and then I won't wear it again. So you just never know with me. Okay. Then the next thing is No Problem Toner. And I tend not to use toner because so much of it has mineral spirits. Is that what it is? And I'm allergic to that. My granddaughters are allergic to it, so we don't tend to use this. Let's see if it has any in it. I can't tell. Can't tell it's too light. I'll have to look it up. But if it's got mineral spirits in it, we can't wear it. None of us can. So, I'll open it because I would just give it to my friend Glenda. It has no smell, or at least I smell nothing. Yeah, we don't use toners and things with mineral spirits in our house because we have very sensitive skin. And here we have, it says estate. That's all it says, estate. But I bet this is the blue eyeliner because I wanted to try it. You know, I can try things on videos with you people that I wouldn't wear out in public. You know, because you all get me. And if it looks good, you don't want to try it with you people, then it's fine. And I realize my lipstick's a little bit bright today, but you know what? I'm going bold. All right, I'm kind of going clownish. It's a little dark, but I got to quit doing it in the dark. I sit in there in my room on my bed, and, you know, like when you're in high school, except for I always forget to turn the light on. Yeah, I always forget to turn the light on, so then it comes out rather bold. That's okay. Trying to get it open. Running out of stories. I think I got it now though, so we're good. I think it's got this a little bit more down here at the bottom, but I don't think I need it. There. I don't know what that was, but oh yeah, that's the blue lip liner, or the eyeliner. That's the color of it. I don't know if it's up over my black or not. Look any different than this one? I'm not going to redo this one. I'm going to leave it like that just to see if anybody notices. Yeah, I do that all the time. Walk around town, half my makeup on, half my makeup off. This is a bunch of words. Look, it's a bunch of words. Huh. That must be what I dropped my glasses. Yep, that's what I dropped my glasses. Well, gee whiz. I'm telling you what. I about had it with this crap. And it is BELLE in ARGENT. If you look real close, you can see it. But you gotta look really close. And I think this might be a perfume, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Lauren. Lauren something. Just a little bit pretty then. Just a little bit pretty. Okay. Oh. No, this is liquid eyeshadow. I didn't see that coming. And you can build it up. This is one pass. It's one pass, and then 2 passes you can build it up. So yeah, that's cute. And if you could see my stomach right now, my belly just fell completely out of my shirt. Oh my goodness. Okay, get off me. And then we get Wanderlust. The heck? Watercolor some, I don't know. This is what we got. This is what we got. My guess is it's translucent powder. We'll just open it up and see what we got here. I'll write it on the screen if I can find it, because it's one of these things that you gotta, you know, you zap the card. Yeah, see? And I'll tell you what you need to know. So, but I'm sure this is just translucent powder. And it is. See? And I'm just going to do this because I have my little powder puff right in front of me. Jeez, can't get it open. Why you make it so hard? I know it's going to go all at once. And that's going to be all she wrote. The shit's going to go everywhere. There, I got it. Let's see, it's just translucent powder. But, instead of using all those little itty bitties, I'm going to just start storing them in here. See, so that's what it'll look like. Put the powder puff on. I think you gotta put the powder puff. My belly just fell out again. Goodness gracious. Come on now, don't do it. Okay, we'll put this down in there. This down in there. Voila. Okay. Oh. And then I got this. It's BAREMINERALS Complexion Rescue Natural Matte Tinted Moisturizer. And I thought I would try it because I need new. And I thought, well, I'll see how it goes. Goodness gracious. But this was $3.99 for this sample, so I thought I'd rather, it was $2.99 or $3.99, something like that. But I thought, well, at least I can see if I can get the right color. That I can't get it open. It's just there. I got it. So I just kind of want to see. I'm gonna test the color wise on it, and I'd say it's a pretty good match. I'd say it's a pretty good match. So that's probably what I'll get. I swear. Is it really that difficult? I don't think life has to be this hard. But yeah, I think it's a pretty good match. I don't remember what color I got. I have no idea. Maybe it says bigger on the box. Yeah, it says it up here. Nope. Natural pecan, that's the color. And it looks white there, but it's not. It's like a rosy tan. Anyway, so this is what we got. We got the bag. We got the toner. We got the finishing powder. We got the brush. What was it called? I don't remember. Oh, concealer brush. And then we got the eyeliner, which I did want to try. Oh, and the eyeshadow. This is that liquid. This is that eyeshadow pencil. So, what did you think of this month? I like getting brushes. And I do appreciate being able to get these like that. The toner is a bust because I won't be able to wear it, so I would just give it to my friend and I'll put it in there in her stocking and she'll never know. But anyway, for $17, yeah, I say you got your money worth, probably with just the bag and the brush, the concealer brush, because they're usually, good brushes are pretty expensive. So anyway, last check, we needed 32 more subscribers. Please subscribe. Hook a sister up, man. Bye.